I was really happy to be a student here. Within like 3 weeks of being a freshman student here, I got to have a job on campus, I got to be a student leadership role, and it was just a really cool experience being able to come in and be surrounded by people who really wanted to talk to me and get my opinion and really make sure I was appreciated here. It gave me a really unique experience of like what college was going to be like. When I came to GSU, I really found a footing within my Latina heritage. I had professors who were very proud of their heritage and were able to find so many commonalities with our culture that I was able to really take into my education. That was really something that was like, I want to stay here because I know I'm not going to get this interaction and networking opportunities at anywhere else. My major is communication with a concentration in advertising and public relations, and then later I helped to create a dance minor and was able to be the first person to graduate with that. I recently accepted a job at Governor State University in marketing, so I get to focus my attention on marketing our great university. Someone like me could have started as a Smart Start student and then progressed to graduate with university honors when I was a conditional admit here. Really proves that GSU is willing to help you no matter where you're going to put your feet.